Hello, this video demonstrates how to download the feature collection by serialized JSON object. Follow the instruction. Let's go to the Windows machine. Previously, I just downloaded this point feature using downloaded by asset ID. Let's go to this series objects. Then we save the one like this one. Contains the filters and then also filter by the map extent. So we just load this one. Folders, beyond filters, select points. The feature collection could contains multiple geometry types, but not necessary to consider multiple types. So here we just choose point, specify output file. Okay, then load it to the class after download. Okay, let's see where these 2 points are. Yeah, so it's just 2 points after the filters. As we showed earlier in the add feature collection to map, and all the properties are successfully downloaded.